Do you struggle with storage in tiny rooms? Small homes don't need big compromises. They need smart ideas. Today, we're diving into clever, stylish, and actually doable storage ideas that will help you turn even the tiniest bathroom, kitchen, hallway, or living room into a space that works with you, not against you. Ready to see your home differently? Let's go room by room. Bathrooms are the most overlooked storage zones. Bathrooms are often the smallest rooms in the house, and yet somehow they hold so much stuff. From skincare to towels to extra toilet paper rolls, it adds up fast. First up, above the toilet. That vertical space is pure gold. Try a sleek shelving unit, floating shelves, or a cabinet with clothes storage to hide the not-so-pretty items. Next, let's look under the sink. Those awkward U-shaped pipes can make it hard to organize, but stackable drawers or expandable racks solve that in seconds. Got a small bathroom with no closet? Use a towel ladder or hang baskets on the wall to roll and store towels. It's a spa-inspired look that saves serious space. Bonus tip: magnetic strips inside cabinet doors to hold tweezers, nail clippers, and bobby pins. Goodbye drawer chaos. Kitchens may be the heart of the home, but in small apartments, they can feel more like a hallway with a sink. The secret? Think vertical. Think dual purpose. Think hidden. Start with wall space. A magnetic knife strip saves drawer space. Wall-mounted rail systems with hooks can hold utensils, cutting boards, even small pots. Don't ignore your cabinet doors. Inside them, mount small bins or spice racks. Outside, hang a paper towel roll or measuring spoons. If you've got dead corners, turntables or pull-out corner shelves work wonders. And for those few lower cabinets, install pull-out drawers so you can see everything without crawling on the floor. One of my favorites, stackable storage bins in the fridge or pantry. Label them, stack them, love them. Lastly, consider foldable furniture. A drop-leaf table or a cutting board that slides over your sink adds prep space when you need it and disappears when you don't. Living rooms are tricky. You want them to feel cozy, open, and stylish, but they still need to function. Let's start with multifunctional furniture. An ottoman with hidden storage? Game changer? A coffee table with drawers or lift-top storage? Even better. If you're short on wall space, go up. Tall bookshelves not only draw the eye up and make the room feel bigger, they store everything from books to baskets to blankets. One overlooked hero: window ledges. Add a cushion, a few baskets underneath, and suddenly you've got a bench with storage and a reading nook. And here's a tip that works even in rentals. Use peel and stick wall hooks behind the TV, under the sofa lip, or behind curtains to hang small baskets or hide remote controls. Pro tip: color coordination helps small spaces feel less cluttered, even if they're fully packed. Bins and baskets in similar tones help the eye relax. Hallways have secret storage potential. Hallways often feel like wasted space, but they're actually prime real estate for vertical storage. Install a slim console table or a floating shelf with drawers, keys, mail, even dog leashes. Out of sight, not out of mind. Add coat hooks or a peg rail, but think below waist height too. Perfect for bags, umbrellas, even a foldable stool. Have high ceilings? Install overhead shelves for seasonal items. Baskets or boxes you only need to reach a few times a year. Mirrors can double as decor and light enhancers. Bonus if it's one with a built-in shelf. Your space, your way. When you live in a small space, every decision matters. But the good news? You don't need to sacrifice style for function. By using your walls, your corners, and your furniture intentionally, you can turn even the tightest home into a sanctuary of order and inspiration. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart design and DIY inspiration from Know How.